The Quezon City government has found a way to expand its vaccination program. QC Mayor Joy Belmonte has partnered with SM City Malls to roll out drive-thru vaccination sites. The first drive-thru vaccination site was launched in SM Fairview. On the first day, it was able to accommodate 100 residents of Barangay Greater Lagro belonging to A1 to A3 priority groups. On the second day, 100 individuals from Barangay Pasong Putik were inoculated. The drive-thru vaccination site only accommodates citizens who have been pre-registered. Belmonte encourages QC residents to book their own schedule either through the Easy Consult website or through barangay assisted booking.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.